Hey, hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make chocolate strawberry overnight oats at your home. So this is a healthy breakfast and this breakfast you can prepare under 5 minutes. So let's start the recipe. So for this recipe what you need here, I took 1 cup of oats and I'm going to put this one in this jar. And in this what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some milk. So in this I'm going to add half a cup of milk, because the oats has to be soaked in the milk. And in this I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. If you don't get the Greek yogurt, you can add any thick yogurt into this. So I'm adding some yogurt. So I added 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. So I will show you guys. So this is the Greek style natural yogurt, and into this I'm going to add some chopped strawberries. So here is the strawberry. So you can add any fruits like strawberry or mango. In India it's mango season. You can add mango or blueberry, anything. So I added some strawberry, and into this I'm going to add some honey, or you can use maple syrup. Today I'm going to use the maple syrup. It gives a nice taste in this dish. So we can add 3 to 4 tablespoons of maple syrup, and into this I'm going to add some chocolate powder. So I'm going to add some chocolate powder. So I added 2 teaspoons of chocolate powder into this, and I'm going to mix all these things together. And this is very healthy recipe, guys. If you want to skip the chocolate powder, you can skip, and you can have this one for the breakfast. And I'm going to add the topping, some strawberry. It gives a nice look. So if you want to add sugar, you can add some sugar, but I didn't add any sugar because I added some maple syrup. It has some sweet. So yeah, so this is the healthy breakfast, and you can keep this one in the fridge overnight, and you can have this one in the early morning with any bread toast or anything. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make chocolate strawberry overnight oats. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.